everyone, welcome to our unboxing vlog. Today I will be unboxing Louis Vuitton Felicie. I have two items right now to unbox. I will unbox the Monogram and the Damier Azur. So let's start. We have the paper bag, of course, and the box. As you can see, ooh, really pretty. I love their box. It's orange, and let's open this up with dust bag, of course. Okay, I believe the Felicie are so popular that it's sold out. It's hard to find. It's a must-have as well. So we have the gold chain. It's removable, so you guys can take it off, make it as a pouch, and you can open this up with that nice color for the inside. And it comes with two inserts. I can show you this. The card slots, there's about 8 of them, and you can put some cash inside here. This one you can use as a coin purse as well, so it comes with zipper. There you go. Same color, really pretty. It's really nice. The inside has also pockets. I love the detailing on it. Monogram style. Perfect for the youngins out there, so I love this. There you go. Gold. Wear it for you guys. So it's really cute, so stylish. And it comes with 2 wallets already, so it's really nice. Okay, so for the second one, we do have the Damier Azur. So I will be unboxing this one. Comes with a paper bag as well. The box. It's so easy to open, so smooth. And we have the dust bag, of course. There you go. This one is very pretty. Wow, it's really nice. It's also with gold hardware and detachable as well. Really nice. So the inside, of course, that's why it's very popular. We have 2 inserts inside. So 2 wallets. We have the card slot and the coin purse as well to go with this. It's pink inside. It's really pretty color. It's really nice. I love this. Got the Louis Vuitton there. And pocket inside, of course. So, no wonder why everybody loves this. It's sold out as well. So, with the insert, we got the first 4 card slots as well. And you got the paper money inside. You can put there. And for this, awesome. It's really nice. It's a must-have, I must say. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you.